Margareta Harris in hot sunny Geneva.
Throughout history, outbreaks and pandemics have changed economies and societies. This one will be no different. In particular, the pandemic has given new impetus to the need to accelerate efforts to respond to climate change. The pandemic has given us a glimpse of our world as it could be: cleaner skies and rivers. Building back better means building back greener.
Very well. You're loud and clear.
I would like to begin today's briefing with an update on the Ebola outbreak in the Equator province of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The outbreak continues to increase and to spread geographically. Yesterday, the 100th case was reported with 43 deaths in 11 health zones across the province. There is currently a delay of about 5 days from the onset of symptoms to when an alert about a suspected case is raised. This is concerning.
We have with us, as always in the room, the WHO Director General.
There continues to be an urgent need for increased human resources and logistics capacity to support an effective response across an ever-expanding geographical area and to help health officials identify cases earlier. The government of DRC has developed a plan that needs about $40 million US. We urge partners to support this plan.
We can do it and we will do it. I will close.